welcome everybody. I'm Deidre.
I'm Darius.
We're Nights Treks, and this is our first time at Blizzard Beach. So far it's super cute.
I like it. I like that we're walking into here with Caribbean music.
Right, but it's like snowy.
I find it a little funny because like both of the water parks we've been to so far, which is Typhoon and Volcano Bay, they're like Polynesian music. Here it's Caribbean music.
Yeah, everything's frosty and snowy. We have no plan. Our plan is to explore, so...
Exactly, and be spontaneous.
Yeah, come join us as we explore Blizzard Beach. This is so cute! Oh, we got distracted already with the sleds. Wouldn't that be cute if they had like sleds inside? I don't know how you would have a sled on like a water ride, but... Oh no. Wait, it looks like, I thought it was Goofy at first, because you know how Goofy always goes through buildings?
Yeah.
But it's not. It looks like an alligator, maybe? Oh, look at this sign. It says, "Caution, low-flying gator." What on earth is this place? I kind of love it. A lot of water, because it's a lot of water.
Wow.
We were so distracted with a lot of water lodge and all the puns. Look at that, it's a huge ski hill. So it looks like they have the mini donuts like over at Typhoon Lagoon. But we have to get something to eat. We haven't eaten yet today. It's like noon.
Yeah.
And I see a lot of people over here eating, so let's go see what they have. What? So if you get a souvenir cup, you can get a beer refill for $8. Wow, I don't like beer, but if you do, that's a good deal. Especially at Disney, you know?
Yeah.
Got some pretty good options here. Do you want to eat here, or do you want to see about the next place?
See about the next place too.
Okay. Oh, I'm coming for you, Lazy River. I gotta get something to eat first, but I'll be back. We're looking for 19. It's right around the left, so we're gonna follow this pathway.
It's a very huge lazy river.
That is, I cannot wait to get in that lazy river. That is humongous.
That is very huge.
So the water parks we've been to have cabanas. These have patios. That's kind of cool. This patio isn't reserved. It's just a really nice deck area. Wow. Melt away bay. Strong waves may occur. What kind of a wave pool is this? I wonder if it's going to be on par with Volcano Bay. You've been here before. Once, like 10, 12 years ago?
Yeah. It's if I can remember right, I think the wave pool is pretty big and a little deep depending on the wave.
Oh, we're coming up on it. Hang on, let's see. Oh my gosh, it sounds just like the ocean. Holy cow. Wow, I love it. Yay, the warming hut. This is what we've been looking for. Let's get some food. Okay, so warming hut, lettuce wrap kind of stuff. And you're wanting a hot dog, right?
Yeah, I'm not a lettuce wrap kind of person, no.
Yeah, so the guy over there pointed us to Avalanche. And he said, it's right over there. So we can either go straight across the wave pool, or we're just gonna take the walk around actually, so. Wait, what number is it? 17. Okay. Wait, are those like ski lifts?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Like it takes you all the way up to there?
What? Avalanche instead of avalanche. This place is just full of puns, and I love it. Ooh, nuts. Yeah.
Wow, right next to the school place.
Oh, that macaroni and cheese hot dog looks good.
So this is what a Chicago style looks like. I'm gonna be real, I never really knew what a Chicago style hot dog.
Yeah, it's got the relish, tomato, onion, peppers, mustard, and pickles. Oh, little pickles on top. Bacon mac and cheese hot dog looking good. Hot tip, if your partner's a fast eater, have them lotion you up while you finish your meal. They've got all kinds of different tubes here. You've got the double tube, and then you've got single tubes, and way up there, I don't know if you guys can see, but they've got like the chairs. I like the chair ones, but there was none of those, so. They also have these white ones that you can like plop a baby in because they don't have like a hole in them. So this.
What?
The one for the babies.
The one for the babies?
Yeah, the white ones are for the babies, so you can just set your baby in it. I feel like lazy rivers aren't lazy anymore because they always have waterfalls. Ah, I found one. Heck yeah. Oh, he's way far back. Oh no. He'll catch up.
There's none, and when you do,
The sun came back out. We're very happy. It's a bit chilly without the sun, to be honest. This is January, guys.
it was like
Sun.
When you finally found that shade, or when you finally found the sun you've been looking for.
Oh no. I don't want to do that. Let's go this way. Come on. I don't want to do that. It's a little.
Prepare a tiny little funeral for the water that's in this leak. Ready?
Yeah. No, don't drown it. It's like the thing on Bug's Life.
I said, I'll do Jurassic Park.
Don't do Jurassic Park. It's the Bug's Life. Also, maybe like Princess and the Frog, but it's not big enough for a frog.
Cue in sad piano, tiny sad piano.
Tiny set. Oh, because you're gonna let it go. Let it go.
All right, let me try it again. Okay, here we go. Ready?
Are you trying to sink this leaf?
Sad piano.
I don't think it's sinkable. It just wants to float with us. You try to let it go like 7 times now and it just keeps coming back. It's just like chilling with us. All right, we're gonna let it ride. It can stay with us. 'Tis time for the wave pool. We did my thing, which was the lazy river. And now it's time for your thing, wave pool.
Waving it. It's great.
Waves are not quite as high as at Volcano Bay. I feel like this is kitty tea time compared to Volcano Bay.
Kitty tea time.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and there's a little cove over there. So like if you don't like bigger waves like this, you can go over there and have tiny, tiny waves. This is nice. Oh yeah, okay, so it's getting deeper. Oh wow, I just walked like 3 feet and it's already super deep. No thank you. You go ahead, I'm gonna be right here. Okay, that says 6 foot 3 inches over there. No thanks.
He's like, no, you can't really do You can't really do waves. It's definitely this pool.
Yeah, so you can jump the waves if you're over there. I like Volcano Bay where you can like stand in the middle where I can still reach and jump, you know? We found the good spot. It's right by the rocks where it says 5'9".
I got in my ear.
You know what this always makes me want?
Go what?
Oh no, I lost my rhythm. What the heck? I always want ice cream after we're done in here because it wastes so many calories just like jumping. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but there's a group of men, young boys, teenagers, I don't know, young adults. But there's old boys over there. And when they say, you know, they're just boys being boys, this is what I'm talking about. They're being like the stupidest, funnest boys you've ever seen. I mean,
no offense taken.
They are making stupid noises, but it's fun and it's funny. And they're freaking out the lifeguards a little bit, so I feel bad for the lifeguards, but they're having fun. Oh my god. Alright, I'm trying to understand the story of this place.
Huh?
We'll look it up here in a little bit. The story of this place.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I feel like a ski lodge that is melting. Yeah, let's go get you wanna go get changed?
Sure.
Oh, okay. It's getting cold. Oh yeah, there's the little cove. And it's just like little tiny lapping waves. I think we're gonna get drinks and nuts. But we're definitely going to change into our theme park clothes because I think we're gonna ride a roller coaster, but I think it's time to change. I'm cold.
I am cold too.
Okay, let's go.
It gets cold and get some nuts. All right, so I am now a fan of these things. It's the roasted almonds and the roasted pecans, and they're glazed.
And they're warm.
Warm, yes. Right now I'm gonna try the almond. And
nice.
you like eating candy?
It is. It's like candy, but with protein.
Nope, just like eating candy.
Try one of these.
All right.
It's melting. 50th iridescent ice cream cone. Going away in like a month and a half.
Is it melting away?
It is. And they have an Elsa like cone, and they have a big pail of ice cream, like a sand pail.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, let me get a good picture of this real quick. Focus in. There we go. Ooh, look at that.
It's birthday cake and vanilla swirl. And it's melting fast. I gotta eat it. Maybe have it for me as you're shoving more nuts into your pocket.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, I may have messed up.
They've been melting since the beginning.
Oh my gosh.
I know. Well, they finally got their melt back on.
Right. It's magical.
That ice cream cone turned my hand blue. Why? Nobody warned me. No, nobody warned me.
What?
Look at my lip, my teeth.
No, it's just your tongue.
It is everything. Okay. You want to say that again to my face?
It beeps like so blue.
Okay, no regrets. It was good. It was a good ice cream cone.
No regrets.
No regrets. Oh man, that was a fun chill day. It was good. It was a good afternoon.
It really was.
I feel like this, okay, out of the 3 water parks we've been to in Orlando, this is the least thrilling, the least impressive. But I would still come here and take a ride around that lazy river. That was the longest lazy river ever.
Yeah, so it has less to look at, but more of a chill back and just vibe out
Yeah, no.
kind of vibe.
And I mean, the slides look fun too. So
Yeah.
they do have the really thrilling one that starts like way up there, like the big plunge. So
Not their main focus is on like the lazy river and the wave pool
yeah.
for the most part.
Would I spend a whole day here? I wouldn't, but you may want to. It's part of your vacation, part of a chill day. So
Yeah. I mean, some people probably like it more than others.
if you're a water park family, yeah.
Now, we can't really quite compare it to the other parts. This is completely because we're coming there during a slow period.
This
so.
is super slow today. Everything's a walk-on. And there's so much space. There's so much room. There's room for activities.
Yeah, and I again, like she said, I wouldn't definitely make it a whole thing, but definitely come here to do what you want to do for a little while. And
This would be a really, if it's hot, come early in the morning.
Sure.
It's just it's a really chill place. We're so glad we came.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Thank you so much for trekking with us. Thank you to our channel members. If you like this video or you want to see more of Universal or Disney here in Orlando, we work here, we live here, we play here, and we'll bring stuff to you from Disney and Universal all the time. So.
Exactly. If you want to support us, we do have a channel membership page here. We also Facebook gave us the ability now to accept stars on there.
Instagram also.
And now we're on Instagram too. Yeah. And so you're able to send us some gifts if you'd like to.
Yeah.
Help us out. Yeah, I'd like to see how that works out. So if you want to just press one of those 20, 30 stars there on there.
Thank you so much for checking with us, and we'll see you real soon.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for visiting. See you later.